Codecrafters is a research project that investigates connections between quilting and computational thinking. By leveraging pre-existing social structures, skill sets, and engagement in quilting, we aim to improve adult engagement and learning in computer science. We are currently developing instructional workshops for adult quilters. In our workshops, participants will use software we are developing that generates quilt designs. Participants will be able to manipulate and modify the generator to create quilt designs according to their interests. In-person quilt workshops are very social activities where participants can easily see what others are designing or sewing, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, our workshops will now be remote. With this in mind, the software has been designed to increase the sense of community by providing opportunities for social interactions that take place in co-located quilting workshops. While users are designing their individual quilts, their current design, as well as their saved blocks and quilts, are viewable to other participants. These designs can be remixed and modified by the community. Traditional quilts are often designed as a grid of square blocks. These blocks are made up of smaller square units we call patches. The design starts with a palette, which can be randomly generated and modified, or manually selected from swatches of Kona cotton solid fabric. Colors from the palette can be dropped onto the patches in the generator. Users can select from 5 popular patch units: half square triangle, drunkard's path, bars, isosceles triangles, and squares. Up to 4 patches can be used by the generator at one time. The user can set the frequency that each patch appears, as well as toggling the use of random colors from their palette. Blocks can be randomly generated and modified, or manually designed. Blocks can be saved for use in the quilt generator by the participant or the community. The quilt generator uses up to 4 blocks, which can be from an individual saved blocks or from the community library. Similar to the block generator, the frequency of each block can be set by the user, as well as whether the generator uses random colors from within a palette. Saved palettes can be used to modify a block in the generator. Generated quilts can also be manually modified. Quilts can then be saved, and from there users can download their finished designs. Improved literacy in computational thinking is crucial for successfully navigating our increasingly computer-driven society. Quilters, whom the majority of are women, come from a diverse range of backgrounds in terms of age, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, and education level. Codecrafters workshops are made for these diverse audience to better understand how to effectively broaden public engagement in computational thinking.